There you go, Bruce.
Oscar, my God, what on earth have you done to it?
Looks stunning, eh?
Absolutely stunning. Crumbs, I couldn't have expected anything more. So they're a really rare room, aren't they? Really rare. How'd you find those?
We've only done them on this one.
Wow. Do people know you've got access to all this sort of stuff?
Hopefully now, but yeah, it's amazing we can find anything.
So they're stepped?
Yep.
How wide in the front?
They're an 8.5 in the front, and
Yeah.
then in the rear it's a 9.5, which
9.5.
is perfect fitment into this rear guard here.
Wow. Well, that's perfection, isn't it?
Oh, it's a
you
beautiful-
couldn't have squeezed them in any better.
It's a beautiful car for us to put them on as well, with the red interior, with the white, and it's just stunning.
Yeah.
Amazing package.
Right, gentlemen.
Oh, Oscar.
Gentlemen. Time to get to business. Bruce, me and my car, edition number 2. This is your car.
This is my car, David. Yes. I've had it for quite a few years, and I've just repainted it. It's taken me about 3 years to restore it to this stage, but I just wanted it to look a little bit different. I didn't want to ruin it from being an old classic, but I wanted it to be a bit of fun as well. It's one of those cars the whole family uses, all our girls and everyone else, so yeah, it's a bit of fun. Oh well.
Right, so Bruce, introduce yourself, mister.
Hi, I'm Bruce. I'm the branch manager here at Bowater Hyundai Isuzu and Renault, and I guess I have a passion for cars, and this is one of my old cars. And over the years I've had quite a few old cars and race cars and motorbikes and things, and this one's been a labour of love for the last few years. Driven everyone in our family mad, but it's lovely to have it going again. It's a 1972. They came out in 1971, October I think it was, a right-hand drive. So this is a 72, no headrest, no electric windows, no nothing really. It does come with a hard top that clips on. And the bit I love about it, it's got a 3.5 litre V8 engine.
It does rumble, doesn't it?
It certainly rumbles. It rumbles along. It drives beautifully, just like a modern car, and it's just a bit of fun.
And so, Oscar, you've become involved in this project.
Yep, thankfully Bruce came to us with a bit of a tricky one to try and track down some wheels that he's been looking for a while. So he came down to us, and we ordered some in with very, very limited room in the rear here to make a wheel fit. So we ordered them in and test fitted them, and we weren't 100% sure, but once we've got them on there, we've just got a perfect amount of clearance on each side, and they really tie in with the 1970s look of the car. I think it's just amazing to have this opportunity to do this to a car like this. So thank you, Bruce.
No, thank you, Oscar. You've done a wonderful job. It's much appreciated. And yeah, it's quite a surprise actually. Yeah, we're able to make it work. So yeah.
Right, Bruce, you got your phone out and some photos. What are we looking at?
I've got some photos, David. This was a year or two ago now. I'd stripped the car back to bare metal, done a bit of body work on it.
So those are the original wheels?
No, they are not. They're an old set of wheels I put on it, so that whilst we were repairing it, it didn't get knocked around. But they never looked quite right. Yes, so it's been a bare metal respray. It's been a lot of work, a lot of repairs. Fortunately, no rust. So that was a wonderful situation to be in. And yeah, I've only just finished putting it together now. The wheels, Oscar, yep, can't speak highly enough, wonderful.
BMG Store came to the rescue for this project?
Absolutely, David. Yep, this is probably our first project of this nature at the BMG Store so far. But it's a great opportunity to be able to showcase all of the things that we can do, from four-wheel drives down to 1970s Mercedes and anything in between that you're wanting to personalise or make your dream. We can do it at the BMG Store.
Fantastic. Right, gentlemen, job well done. Bruce, thank you. Love looking at that little trip down memory lane. And you've got another project on the boil now as well?
Yes, we've got a little Fiat Bambina, 1959. So at some stage we'll get that going and bring it in, and that'll be a bit of fun for everyone as well.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Right, so cars are a passion.
Cars are a passion. Cars are a passion here at work as well, and really for all our staff in the bigger Bowater Motor group.
Drive your dream, me and my car, edition 3 coming soon, maybe with Oscar Bowater.